erupting in the Aam Aadmi Party's office after many days. In fact, after the release of Sanjay Singh on bail by the Supreme Court, you can see such euphoria in the Aam Aadmi Party. Arvind Kejriwal's release on interim bail till the 1st of June has actually come as a shot in the arm for the party, which until a few days ago had its entire top leadership behind bars. Now, what impact will it have? The first impact that it will have is it is going to re-energize the cadre. Now, people within the Aam Aadmi Party, volunteers in the Aam Aadmi Party who had doubt about their own leadership, who had doubts whether Aam Aadmi Party can ever win an election without the Arvind Kejriwal in the field, will now come out of their homes and campaign more aggressively. Number two, it is expected to stem the hemorrhage of leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, remember, Rajkumar Anand, the Dalit face of the Aam Aadmi Party, a minister in Arvind Kejriwal's cabinet, had actually quit while Arvind Kejriwal was in jail and had leveled serious allegations against the Aam Aadmi Party. He has now joined the BSP and is contesting on a BSP ticket. So that kind of exodus of leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party is expected to be now restrained, with Arvind Kejriwal reaching out to everybody and making sure that everybody is heard and everybody stays within the line, and also reaching out to all the MLAs and ministers of his party. Number three, he is going to provide the much needed leadership to the Aam Aadmi Party's campaign, not here just in the national capital, where, remember, the Aam Aadmi Party is fighting elections for the first time in an alliance with the Congress party, but also in Punjab, where Aam Aadmi Party is contesting independent of the Congress on 13 seats, and also across India on every seat that the candidates of India Alliance are fighting. Now, remember, this of course is a boost for the Aam Aadmi Party, but it is also a boost for the opposition India bloc. You saw the kind of remarks that have come in from leaders like Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, who have hailed the release of Arvind Kejriwal on interim bail and have actually welcomed the Supreme Court's verdict. Now, remember, we were also talking a little while ago with Aam Aadmi Party's lawyer Rishikesh Yadav, who actually pointed out that perhaps it was an extraordinary circumstance under which Arvind Kejriwal was arrested. That is, he was arrested after the imposition of model code of conduct, and that perhaps made the Supreme Court tilt its verdict in favor of Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, this is an interim bail. He will have to go back to jail on the 1st of June after the counting is over, and he is here out just for 21 days, and the hearing on his challenge of arrest still continues. But this is also a shot in the arm for other opposition leaders like K. Kavita, like Hemant Soren, who are also behind bars and who have also moved the court asking for bail on various grounds, including Manish Sisodia, especially because he has also asked bail from the Supreme Court so that he can campaign in Delhi. So yes, a very, very big day for the Aam Aadmi Party, for the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, for the cadre of the Aam Aadmi Party, for Arvind Kejriwal himself, and for the opposition India bloc. Aam Aadmi Party leaders have hailed this verdict as the victory of truth over untruth. Satyameva Jayate, they have said. Sanjay Singh has said that Satya pareshan ho sakta hai, lekin parajay nahi ho sakta. Atishi has also said that this is a victory of democracy, and this marks the end of what Aam Aadmi Party has said as the end of the Tanashah government, and that too in 2024. So yes, a very big blow for the Enforcement Directorate. But its arguments did not cut any ice with the Supreme Court today. Even when the prosecution actually brought in Amritpal Gill as a case, the Justice Sanjeev Khanna was not inclined to go into those arguments. And in fact, in the very first minute of the hearing itself, he pronounced the order that they are releasing Arvind Kejriwal on interim bail till the 1st of June. So expect a much more robust campaign, not just for the Aam Aadmi Party but for the opposition India bloc, coming as it does after the third phase of elections are over. This will definitely have, or is expected to have, a profound impact on the outcome of elections. Today, while commenting on Arvind Kejriwal's release, you said that there was some divine plan. Why did you say that?
I think the bail of Arvind Kejriwal ji is exceptional. It is unprecedented that somebody who got arrested under PMLA is getting out of jail in 40 days, and I think it is no less than a divine intervention. And I think the God has some bigger plans for the country, bigger plan for the politics of this country, and that's why they have chosen Arvind Kejriwal to come out of the jail and change the whole narrative in this country.
How do you think it is going to impact Aam Aadmi Party's campaign in Delhi and Punjab, and also that of the opposition India bloc?
I think BJP understands it very well that if Arvind Kejriwal is out of jail, he will be the problem number one for BJP, and BJP will start losing every day, every minute he is out of jail. Basically, their strategy of putting him in jail did a lot of damage to BJP, and they were not able to come out of that damage. They are not able to strategize what should they do. And while they were dealing with that damage, they have another damage that now Arvind Kejriwal is coming out. So it will be tough for BJP, and I think it will be a game changer for India Alliance.
Will it boost your prospects in Delhi and the opposition India bloc's prospects in across the country, or will it not have that kind of impact as you are estimating?
I think Delhi, anyways, we were winning all the 7 seats. So I don't think it has anything to do with Delhi, but I think it has very huge impact. It will have a huge impact on India Alliance, and I don't think BJP is coming back to power now.
My last question, Saurabh, what impact will it have on the party, especially when you look at the fact that some ministers had quit. Today, one former MLA has also posted a video saying that he is not going to participate in campaign. What impact it will have on the Aam Aadmi Party ministers, MLAs cadre?
It will have good impact.